Hello, fan collectors. Braxton the Vintage Fan Man here, and what we have here today is a Hunter Sea Air. But before we get to doing demonstration and information on it, we got two special guests.
Hey guys, Donna's Fan Studio here, back again.
What's up, guys? It's me, Carter.
So, glad to be back, but we're gonna do these.
Alright.
Braxton's been working his ass off putting all these damn fans up in this one area.
I know.
The other day there was
There were three fans. I'm not gonna tell.
Yeah, there were three fans, and then there was Williamsburg where the Sierra is, and yeah.
The Williamsburg was before those.
Yeah.
So, but anyways, we got the Sierra from 1999, which is really right before the 2000s actually, which is kind of surprising, considering, well, not really surprising, but it's Verde. This I'm gonna be getting a light kit for it at some point, which is gonna be another secret fan. So, yeah, let's get this started on low. I can barely reach it because of my tripod. So I'm not gonna be able to do reverse as always, or not as always, but like I'm not gonna.
I love the Verde Sierras. I want to be one of them. Suckers. Yeah. Those things are fucking beautiful.
Oh yeah, hell yeah.
Especially the Verde finish. Oh my.
What's the performance on those?
They're really good. They have decent motors. They are good outdoor fans. Flush mount are not.
Yeah, they're able to be flush mounted. Yeah.
Wait, are they damp or wet rated?
They're wet.
Let's see
like
how much.
The Islander I have, the Islander's damp rated.
I feel some air coming from it on low.
Wait, so are Islanders damp rated?
Islanders are damp. Sierras are wet.
Adjust my camera here. There we go.
And then Valley Bays are damp.
Damp. Yep.
And here's medium.
I have to put my Islander on my porch.
You can actually do that. You can put your Islander at your, where that original is.
Yeah, it's a sloped covered porch, so.
So that should work.
So yeah, that works.
If you have a down rod, it'll work out.
It's just a sloped covered porch. The water can't touch it at all.
But yeah, if you have a down rod, that'll work.
Yeah.
See how much air we're getting. Not bad. Not bad.
We should do the
0.32 amps.
The Islander or
25 watts.
Valley Bay.
Power factor 0.66.
Are you getting a Valley Bay?
Yeah, from Cormac.
Oh,
And here's full power.
Islander because they have a K55 motor.
Mm-hmm.
So I definitely do an Islander. But if you want to do the Valley Bay,
0.46.
Well, the Valley Bay has stack.
53 watts.
yeah.
And power factor of 1.
But aren't K55s more powerful?
You talking to me?
No,
Carter?
Carter, yeah.
Well, I'm getting some good air, yeah. See how we do with them at the entrance. I'm getting a little bit, but not by much.
Oh, Don, by the way, my mom said hi.
Hi.
She's not in the room, she already left, but I was muted, she said hi.
Spin down. And that special fan, I'm not gonna say the model, I'm just gonna go ahead and say the brand is Hunter, and it's green. It's also a Verde, so this will be my third Verde Hunter.
Is it a Verde original?
No,
Nope.
This isn't close to the originals.
No, it's not a Verde original. I'm gonna say that right now.
Bro, you need to put a socket fan in that little socket.
I don't have any. That's the problem. That and the
Yeah, but you know
that and I don't want to risk any fan that hangs here to hit the light bulb or anything like that. So.
Yeah, sure.
So I think that's reasonable because that's why I have it empty.
Yeah.
See, you're still going. So used to fans stopping by now. Those blades are plastic. They're heavy plastic, so it makes sense. That and the bearings are decent. So I think it makes sense.
Yeah.
And that Verde
It's
Hunter,
smaller for that.
also that Verde Hunter has a Verde light kit, so I'm gonna be able to put a light kit on this finally.
Oh, what kind of light did you get it?
It's the light kit.
Yeah, what kind?
It's one of those Verde Hunter light kits.
Okay. You have to show me a picture of that.
It's coming with that Verde Hunter.
Oh, okay.
Donovan knows what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
It's on Facebook.
Oh, okay, I'll check that in a minute.
Okay. Dang, it's still going. Holy crap. Holy shit, man. It's still going.
Or if that was on a Porsche, that thing would never not be spinning. Because the wind would always be pushing it and stuff.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and the porch that I have, for those that don't know that are watching the video, it's not enclosed nor screened. It's not a screen porch either, so that's why I am putting one of these out there. So let's try the variable speed out and see how loud it gets. Okay.
Are barriers game rated or are they wet rated?
They're wet.
Can't really listen to it because of the furnace running. I hear a little bit of buzz from here. Yeah, I hear it. There's full power right there. It's making some noise. Alright. Now it's time for 0 to high and see what inrush we get, if anything. See if we get any inrush. Alright. Okay, we're on amps, and we should be good. Okay. So now, 0 to high. See what we get. Starts off at 0.47. I think that's worth. I don't think there's an inrush as always. But we'll see. Well, we dropped one, but that's it. Yeah, we're at full speed, so... Yep. Yeah, that's it. Well, what do y'all have to say about the Seer?
I want one. I need one
They're cool. I mean,
in that finish.
not something that I really need, but they're cool.
Yeah. So, anything else other than that?
Nope.
Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, have a rest of your day, folks. And more videos to come. Have a rest of your day, folks. And peace.